What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2013 Audi A6. Supercharged S-Line, really nice car. Quattro, check it out, guys. So he just got a cold air intake on it. He hasn't put it on yet. He's getting it in the mail. Been waiting on it for a while. Anyways, factory converter somewhere up there on each side. Then second set of resonators there. Then we cut the mid resonator off there, as you guys can see. Then it's already true dual. Then we continued the true dual and deleted the mufflers on this side and on this side and kept the original tips out the back right there and right there. He's going to change them out later on. There it is, A6. There's the two mufflers that were on it, and the resonator, I have no idea where it went, but the resonator is a dual in, dual out. I don't know where they put it. We took that off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's perfect. I like it. Bro, it hit 120. Wow. And he's thinking to get test pipes on it too at 2. So you guys can only imagine how loud this thing will become. That's crazy. That sounds so sick. I like that. And it's really cold out here, guys, so don't think it's a cold song. It's not. This is like 20 degrees outside. You see what I go through to do videos for you guys? So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Wow. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Audi A6 Quattro supercharged. True duals, only got one set of resonators left. Other than that, it's straight fire. You ain't gonna say anything. He's too cold to say anything today. I like it. You heard that marble, didn't you guys? Damn.